guys, back again. As in the last video, I'm going to the MDA Car Show now. I'm meeting my parents there. My dad won some tickets actually to it, so I actually don't have to even pay to get in. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to stay there as long as I would like to get a whole lot of footage. I have to go to a baby shower for my best friend Olivia. Congrats, by the way, if you watch this. We're going to be going over there to hang out with her and do baby shower things. But I am on my way now, so I'm going to meet them. They're almost there. This is my first year going. I've just seen posts and pictures from last year's, and it looked really good. I mean, it's a bunch of cars. It's 2 stories of nothing but cars, old cars, classics, new cars, you know, whatever, it's there. So hopefully it's going to be good. I got the big camera today, so the Rebel's out. We're going to take some pictures, probably get some videos. They're going to be a little not good videos. There'll be probably a little shaky just because I don't have my tripod or my slider dolly at the moment. It's just that the slider dolly doesn't want to work with my tripod. It's kind of big. It's 32-inch slider dolly, and it's a little unstable right now. So I'm either gonna get a cheap tripod to stable it on both sides, or I'm just gonna get a better tripod head, just because I don't think that one's beefy enough to hold it up. But if that's the case, then I'll do that. If not, I can just go to Walmart and get a $10 tripod and hold it up on both ends. It's not really a big deal for me. I don't mind carrying it around as long as it works. So yeah, I'm on my way now. I will catch you guys later, and have a great rest of your day.
Come in, I can seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light, and it might taste bitter,